Hey y'all, how's it going everyone? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do, of course, an unboxing of what's in the box, but also a little review and such, and knowing what did exactly I order. What is in this box that's so like a bit big? Ooh-wee. Well, that size. What the hell did I order? You know, can be a figure, could be a car, a scale model, maybe. Who knows? Whatever. Let's see where I ordered this item from. I don't know exactly. Let's check it out. Like right now, where did I order this item from? Well, yo, I ordered it from Louisville, Kentucky. What exactly I ordered in Louisville, Kentucky, you say? Well, Louisville, Kentucky, huh? Well, no chit-chat, let's open the box and see what I ordered from this Louisville, Kentucky. Let's check it out anyway, like right now, folks. Well, y'all, how am I gonna open this item in questioning? How am I gonna do that? With what am I gonna open? Oh yeah, with this. All right. So, with all that out of the way, y'all, now I gotta see what was in that big ass esk of a box. The esk feel of it. ESQ, that is. Or whatever it is. So, what is in this big tube? Whoa, what is this? 18 by 24 poster. From Shout Factory, under its name, Scream Factory. And it's the poster for John Carpenter's Escape from New York. Yes. And another set comes with these pins, collectible Enamel pin set. But I'm going to leave it sealed, and I'm just going to show you a photo how it comes with. And whoa, Snake Plissken, everybody. A mix of Hostel Gato. If anybody remembers that name, that this one, including Ash Williams from the Evil Dead trilogy and Snake Plissken from the Escape from New York films, were the inspiration to the character of Hostel Gato in the Grim Adventures of Billy and Mandy. So yeah. Gutter Grabs, Shout Factory. Escape from New York. That's right, Escape from New York. Emerald pin set. But I'll show it to you in a moment what it looks like. I'm not planning on opening it. And next, the piece de resistance. It's, what is this? What? What is that? It's the look of Snake Plissken's body during the fight scene in Escape from New York. And, Scream Factory. Ooh, chrome lettering, ask. Escape from New York. Same here, but it's upside down. Okay. Let's reveal what is in this black box. Nice sturdy box. Now what is in here? Let me just move this back, little folks. Oh yes, yes. It's the vinyl record. Yes, it's a vinyl record. I'm just going to give you a glimpse. I'm not going to take the whole thing out because it's, yes, it is. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the vinyl record for the soundtrack for Escape from New York. And let's be clear, everybody. This was composed by Alan Howarth. So side B is the 69th Street Bridge. Side A is the Escape from New York theme, which of course it's the opening of the film. So yeah, wow, like wow. I didn't pre-order this at the time, so I balked at buying it when I was planning on getting the 4K, but it seemed that my local Best Buy, where I was going to over times, didn't seem to have, well, I wasn't looking for the vinyl, I was looking for the 4K of the movie. Bummer luck, they didn't have any. So yeah, composed by John Carpenter in association with Alan Howarth, performed by John Carpenter, his son Cody Carpenter, and stepson or son Daniel Davies, mixed by John Skipper. So wow, folks, good vinyl record. And now what is in this one? Ooh-wee. Look at that, folks. Will you look at that? Oh man, what do I have here? Good case. It's the 4K UHD Blu-ray for Ultra HD Blu-ray for Escape from New York. Yep, they stuck with the poster, and it's a 3-disc set. Let's see, 4K UHD of the movie in 4K restoration, which of course was obviously from Studio Canal, but it doesn't say it here. Or does it somewhere? Who knows? So we got the audio commentary with the director and actor John Carpenter and Kurt Russell. Audio commentary with producer Deborah Hill and production designer Joe Alves. Commentary with actress Adrienne Barbeau, DOP Dean Cundy, and then the 4K restoration was taken from the Studio Canal on both. And you got the audio commentaries the same, and then you got the third disc is the Blu-ray, which of course we have the special features, which I talked about it already. So yeah, folks, this is it. What we have here is the release of Escape from New York, and it comes how it's housed in. Wow. I'm always extremely careful how to put this somewhere in the cave. I mean, seriously. I love Escape from New York. I have the Steelbook, and I balked at ordering the item, but when I couldn't find the Blu-ray for this, I mean the 4K, oh well. And I botched at buying it with the pins and the poster and the vinyl soundtrack. Okay, I'll pull the trigger anyway. So yeah, I'm a big, and too bad I never got the Halloween movies, because my god, $250 for all 5 movies? And the first 3 only has the soundtracks, but all 5 of them have their posters, and you got some with pins and such. My god, a lot of money for that set. But nah, I balked at buying that because of the box, you know, because of the way how it's chromed and everything. So yeah, because this is how it was with Halloween. You had the pumpkin, and then Halloween 3 had the 3 characters of the jack-o'-lantern and the jack-o'-lanterns, and what else? Jack-o'-lantern, the pumpkin, and the witch. So yeah, even Halloween 2 had the syringe in Michael's face. I couldn't even tell how it looked. But this is how the Halloween set looked. That is black everywhere and chromed and had the title. But I botched at buying it because, again, it was too much money. My god. But again, media companies are milking out the Halloween franchise. And with that, let me show what the pins look like. So, here's the set of what you just saw. And this came out on May 17th, a month ago. And wow. And these were still on sale after its release. It says collectors with the vinyls and the pins, originally priced at $120, but now it's at, wow, wow, look at that. 118 bucks. And also, if you look right up here, let me just get my trusty finger pointer, my glow-in-the-dark pointer. If you see right up here, it says free shipping in the US on all orders over 50 bucks, which I was gladly I did. So yeah, folks, and it did took some time. Wow, 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 look at that. And I ordered it like less than, like, say about a week or two ago, and it was suddenly here the next, like, about a few weeks later. It took time. So yeah, and let me show you what the pins exactly look like. You already know about the vinyl soundtrack, the poster, the 4K Blu-ray with everything. And here's the Emerald pins, which I'm not going to open it because I'd rather leave it sealed. And RFB. Anybody know what that means? And RFB, never removed from box. So yeah, here you have the face of Snake Plissken. You have the logo, Escape from New York. You have the USPF, United States Protection Federal, maybe. You have the city of New York, like how it is in the opening of the film. And then you have the New York Maximum Security Penitentiary, Manhattan Island pin. Oh, yep, that's exactly. You have like 5 pins in here. Snake Plissken's head, the face of Snake Plissken, the Escape from New York logo, USPF pin, representing the United States eagle of some kind, and the 3D of the digital look of the city of New York, and then you have the penitentiary logo. So that's what you've seen throughout the film. This one was in the opening. You get to meet our hero, and you get to see the logo of the poster, the logo of the USPF, and the sign of the Maximum Security Penitentiary Manhattan Island pin. And that's how it's come on this set. So yeah, folks, very, very cool indeed. Let's see them all together in this, like now. Well, here it is. 4K Blu-ray movie vinyl soundtrack in this sturdy box. The pins, which I'm never going to open, and then 18 by 24 poster. Well, anyway, folks, if you're interested in getting it, link is in the description box down below. Well, anyways, this is Marky Mark signing off, y'all. Take care. God bless you. Catch you on the next vid.